ChatGPT is great if you train it. Training ChatGPT is one of the most important things. The first prompt you give it won't be good. Second prompt won't be good. So here is my recommendation. Basically, the type of content I want to create now is product review videos. Okay. So for example, best noise cancellation headphones, best 55-inch TVs, best air fryers, whatever it is, right? Now, the concept is very simple, right? You make these videos, you publish, you have the affiliate link. The real question is, how do you systemize it? How do you build this system that is going to enable you to produce these videos with a good quality, right, at scale? That's what we always talk about. So I've been playing around with ChatGPT, and this is another point that I wanted to talk about for the script writing, right? I've been playing around with different video editors, and I've been playing around with thumbnails. Like video editing and thumbnails is pretty straightforward, but the script is interesting. So my finding with the script and with ChatGPT, for those of you guys listening and watching, is ChatGPT is great if you train it. Training ChatGPT is one of the most important things. The first prompt you give it won't be good. Second prompt won't be good. So here's my recommendation. Here's what I found today with ChatGPT. I think today or yesterday. You basically open up a new chat, and this chat, you can train it. Okay, so I go ahead, I look on Google for, best noise cancellation headphones. I open up an article, I copy it, I go to ChatGPT, and then I start giving it my prompt. So let me actually read out a couple of prompts that how I train ChatGPT, right? So I said, first, please review and analyze the following scripts to understand the style, tone, and structure of the content I'm interested in. This script serves as a guide for the type of script writing I will request from you next. For now, there's no need to create any content. Simply familiarize yourself with this example to prepare for future script writing tasks based on its format and themes. No need to tell me anything back. Just say that you analyze and are ready to write a script similar to this one, right? And then I pasted a transcript of a video that is kind of my ideal on YouTube.
Yeah.
Right? Does that make sense? Right underneath.
That makes sense for me. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Then ChatGPT says,
"What's the product, by the way? Like, what kind of product are you now doing in the script?"
Well, in this case, it was best TV under $600. Okay. Then it goes. It says, "I have analyzed and I'm ready to write a script similar to the one you provided." I say, "Great." Then I say, "Okay, now based on the text below, write me a comprehensive script similar to the one I have trained you on." The video title is best espresso machine under $1,000, and then I copy paste the article that I found, and then it goes ahead and it writes me the script.
Yeah.
And I say, "Chatty, please use the script I provided in the first message as a guide." Right? I'm getting like frustrated. Yeah. Then it goes ahead and it writes, opening scene, a cozy, well-lit kitchen with various espresso machines on the counter, blah, 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 like that stuff. So then I say,
a little frustration, OMG, Jenny.
I'm like, OMG, how do I communicate with you, crying emoji? Look, this is what I want you to do. The ultimate goal, da, 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 right? Don't improvise on the intro structure. I will provide you. She's like, "I understand now. Thank you for clarifying. You want me a script? Perfect. Let's try again. Here's the title, text." Okay. And then it writes. And then it starts off by saying, "Hi, my name is Arne. After a few years as a barista, I've dedicated myself." And I'm getting frustrated.
Like, can I say, like, what kind of article is it? Like, you just grabbed a random article from Google that's comparing TVs or espresso machines? That's what you did?
No, it was an article about like best espresso machine under $1,000.
Like, what I would do if I were you, and I'm hearing all of this, you eventually want to send people to the US Amazon, right? USA Amazon.
Well, whoever is searching for the best espresso machine,
but I think it's an English term. So US probably the biggest audience searching for it, I think.
Most likely.
What I would do is like filter yourself on Amazon, like under $600. You said.
Yes, or under $1,000.
go to the category, they have a filter maximum of $1,000, then have them rated on like the best sellers, grab maybe the top 5.
Okay.
Then you have bullet list points with every listing on Amazon. That's basically the unique features of every product. I would copy these all. So one product, bullet points, second product, bullet points, put them in Cherry, then say, hey, Cherry, I have found 5 televisions or 5 coffee machines. Please make an in-depth comparison between these machines and using this kind of structure. And then you probably have a script already.
That's smart. That's a big brain move right there.
I've been selling on Amazon for 4 years. I know I know this shit. And then you also have products that are already best sellers. So when people are reaching the page, that the page is already optimized, you got many good reviews. And that article you're basing it on is maybe not a good article. So I would get the data from Amazon.
That's a great idea. That's a great idea. So then it wrote me that thing with the Arnabe who's been working as a barista. And then I say, okay, better, but I still need to train you. For the intro, I want you to say, and then I wrote the exact intro I want to say. Then number 2, don't mention anything about Arne. Remove parts such as this one, which is the cut to a sleek display of various espresso machines, right? Because like the sceneries. Number 3, for each product, write more text. Right now it's too short. And number 4, outro, I want you to say exactly this text. Then it writes me the perfect script, how I want it to be, you know?
Great. Finally.
Perfect. Yes, like after 5 prompts, I think. And then I say, perfect, this is what I want from you. Now, with all this knowledge and information of what I want from you, design a prompt that I can use next time you can understand right away. It gave me a prompt, which was, I tried it in a new chat, but it wasn't so great. But because this chat has already been trained, I said, okay, since in this chat here, you know exactly what I'm looking for, would I be able to request more scripts from you in the last format that you wrote for me? Absolutely. So then all I do is I write title, best espresso machine under $2,000, content details. I copy paste an article, and then every time now it gives me a perfect script. So that's was a long kind of rant about training ChatGPT and training each specific chat into how you want it to be.